When you look up at the night sky and spot those bright dots, you might wonder, what's really going on with our planetary neighbors? I know what you're thinking. Venus must be a scorcher, but Jupiter, isn't it just a chilly giant ball of gas, floating far from the sun? Well, the truth is a lot more fascinating than you might expect. So grab your mental shades because things are about to heat up in some truly unexpected ways. Let's start with Venus. Imagine standing on its surface. If you could, you'd need a spacesuit tougher than anything we've ever built. Venus is so hot, it could give you third-degree burns just by standing still. The ground is hot enough to melt lead, and the air is thick and toxic. Why is it so extreme? Venus is wrapped in a suffocating blanket of carbon dioxide, making it the solar system's ultimate greenhouse. Sunlight gets in, but the heat can't escape, so the temperature just keeps rising. The result? Its surface cooks at a wild 465 degrees Celsius, hotter than the inside of a pizza oven. And here's the kicker. That's even hotter than Mercury, the planet closest to the sun. Venus is farther away, but its thick atmosphere traps heat so efficiently it leaves Mercury in the dust. Now, let's shift our gaze to Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, famous for its swirling storms and colorful bands. Most people think of Jupiter as a cold, distant world, and at first glance, that's true. Its cloud tops are absolutely frigid, with temperatures plunging to between -110 and -145 degrees Celsius. That's colder than any place on Earth, and it's enough to freeze almost anything solid. But here's where things get really interesting. Jupiter isn't just a cold gas ball. Deep beneath those icy clouds, something wild is happening. Thanks to the immense pressure from its own gravity, Jupiter's core is under constant compression. This process generates a tremendous amount of heat, turning its core into a cosmic furnace. In fact, scientists estimate that Jupiter's core sizzles at over 725 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of Venus, and even hotter than some stars' surfaces. So while Jupiter may look cold and calm from the outside, it's hiding a serious hot streak deep down inside. It's like a frozen dessert with a molten center, unexpected and fascinating. So next time someone says Jupiter is just a cold gas ball, you can tell them it's secretly one of the hottest places in the solar system, if you know where to look. Venus bakes on the outside, Jupiter steams on the inside. Two planets, two extremes, both full of surprises. Space is full of surprises. The more we learn, the more we realize just how wild and wonderful our solar system really is.